Hello, Nana Tornado.
Hello.
Let's say.
Bibi
Amoko. Now, Ghana, now Dubai. Okay. I bet told you I say only delay. I say in Tawanta will be a bamontem. No crack.
Then some things in the middle of internet necessary. You know, it's performance of her and people from nowhere, and she makes them hard. And maybe, you know, although maybe a sample of coffee, it is sending a message, and I say, point of correction, you didn't take me from nowhere. How can you the truth and never compare me to Coco, but respond, yeah, never. Well, I sat down and said, what will trigger Dolores to write something like this? Then perhaps she has a problem with me and me and Kata meaning. No.
Wow. Now, Obodi can say also of how if you know when why you would be Obodi.
I may not call you look now. Oh boy, they can't just what said and it's when you look now. I don't know what triggered her. She would like to compare me to a common house girl. Audition and make up one.
Wow. And see, and nothing also the about to you say, oh, you're ungrateful now, or you're fake.
Oh, it's something that a bit way. It's all the Ghanaians the truth. Although people think I'm crazy, I'm a very loyal person. And I make a fair, me my Dolores warning. That means best to make a crack cancer. So because of the crack cancer, at the assembly about.
Nana Tornado, who said Asama?
I don't want to write tell of stories about Dolores. I don't want to write tell of stories about Dolores.
And some best because who said Asama Banwan can. I'm on for the word so.
I'm a very loyal person. And just say, yeah, we share now, we now take it opportunity.
Because yes, Kukraman Freso Bessie Venezuela, also on Freso, dear Druba Tariso. I'm saying,
I'm a drama queen, no? Now, all auditions are cancelled. Well, the drama queen is not as desperate as Dolores performance, so AKA who hops from one hotel to another. Looking for white men who do not even pay attention to her.
Delay jumps from one hotel to another.
She can't be telling me I'm a drama queen. Because I'm not a desperate person who walks from one hotel to another soliciting for white men who do not even pay attention to me. No. I'm from the home. She didn't pick me from the slums where she was living.
Now, who come and I delay? Yeah, and I say, no, Christ, no, ask them now.
Oh, let me try to add them there. Tell me to the baby. So now, Mr. Mamino, one the camera mentioning the camera. Mr. Baby, now from nowhere. The Lord is sure. I had my own pub. I was married to a Filipino. Obama Bar, karaoke to them. It's out of family, no, for me, nowhere. Like, I mean, no, it's quite way.
Wow, I've been aware how so besides.
National good evening.
Good evening.
Before I start, I want you to know that I'm a huge fan of yours. Like, I just love everything about you. Yes. But when we say visa, I say, in one of your posts, me say, okay, only delay Jumanu. She didn't even give you a common T-shirt. I don't remember saying me visa or say, Papa, were you people under some agreements? Now we'll tell while you're on the Schwarzenegger show, or she wasn't paying you.
And then me say, Dolores Oshiame na me no one Ghanaian actress NNM. And also your madam for. And on no one say Ucha program. I didn't even know anything about it. Or no Ucha program. It's been done in Ucha. Then it's a big first one. As a person, or may play me part young. I don't think that she's gonna call me for the second time. But it's not acquired to say friendship level. We need to know it. I did it for good 6 years. Sister, I change myself 3 times a day. We talk about $300, $400. Yeah, I can't be changing me 3 times a day or so. Dolores and now anytime and she's always like, I mean, educate collection, educate Obama should be an CCS. Empty promises. And that's it. And I'm talking about more. My
Into when you Okada.
Into another check after obesity scam out of Papa Kakosi. I don't make us say we spoke about this for a very long time. Monuakasa in Phobia minimum 1 because of the Ghana. There are some not to be almost celebrate the minimum of Ghana. Yeah. Obia what Mobaka start with, then can't share that. But an uncle die channel, the gate will be a little bit because of Catalonian Jalia morning. It's a to the day, I'm sure my minimum where Bunny say, I'll sack or cut off from nowhere. Deciding. I wasn't living in the slums. I'm not to come to two stuff when I know what I'm
Nana Tornado, way and yet publicity stunt be. You have Baba a man for a the news by and yet been a movie. Because they were only delayed CNN somewhere across we.
But in my little life, no, and I make us say, people think I'm crazy, but I'm a very loyal. And yet publicity be an American industry. Because if you're telling me, man, in your shoe, I have publicity. I did that whole letter. I did a check. And on Kasaba, a year media, and the fan face will be as open because with I mean what Dolores what problem are. There is nowhere, never social media, maybe did that. But for something to trigger her to write that you're not just why I went to see face here.
Wow. And see, Sunny, I had any idea about delay show, friends, and Fiash was like a show to be.
To tell you the God truth, I don't want to have anything to do with Dolores' performance again because it's in Ghana more.
Okay. Nana Tornado, yeah, that's it.
Numjano, more.
Focus.
Yemfa Asada having black mosquito coil and having insecticide sprayer on my show moi. You the total showbiz and somewhere ACC. I was show business move amount. My main sense will be on set. Sabian Penny for Akano.